Okay na, dito tayo sa Shell, no? Para pa-full tank. Okay, para malaman ho natin, no, kung ano po ang actual no, consumption, no? Ito pong Suzuki Hybrid. Ano yan?
Power ko?
Yeah. Okay, so ayun mo siya. Exactly half po siya dito tayo sa Sampaloc Shell, no? And magkakarga ho tayo ng premium gasoline. Yes, premium dahan-dahan lang ba, dahan-dahan sama. Okay? Okay na?
Yeah, welcome to Shell.
Okay na.
Power gasoline.
Gasoline, unleaded lang.
Leaded.
Oo.
Yung leaded. Ito yung power.
Di bale, may power na lang, sige. Okay lang. Saan? Sa wala? Okay, may power. Yan yung pinakamahal, no?
Ay, hindi. Yung isa. Racing.
Ito na, tama itong may power.
Pangalawa to.
Okay?
Utang ko.
Full tank, oh.
Cash card o iwala.
Card, cash.
Eh, Shell Go Plus.
Meron, Shell Go card.
Okay lang po. Tap lang na makina to.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Budget lang po ate power gasoline.
Okay, may power yan, ha? Okay, go, go.
Let's start.
Yeah.
Ang tawag din sa may promo ngayon. May 2,000.
Oh,
May play na 1.5 na ako.
loko na.
Ano po?
Eh, konti lang yung kakarga, kalahati lang eh. Sige na, kaya mo na. Every 2,000?
Okay po.
Pucha, na-miss ko yung promo. No?
Sir, may ship sir.
Ay, naku, dapat di pala ako nagpakarga. No?
Ha?
Dapat di pa pala muna ako nagpakarga. Mali, no? This is a big mistake. Okay, anyway. No. Check natin, so yung kalahati ho tayo, ng kalahating full tank is ay daw taabot po ng 2,000 to, no? Hindi aabot ng 2,000 to kasi ano eh, kalahati lang eh. Oh, 1.5 lang to. Oh, wala pa 1.5 na, oh.
Bakit sir?
Okay na. So isang full tank niya is 3,000. Okay?
Okay na po.
Okay na. Okay. So let's check po, no? 3,000 pesos, no? Going to Baguio, no? Ano po magiging consumption? Get ready, get ready. Let's watch po. Ano kanyang mileage? Okay, nitong hybrid. Totoo nga po ba itong hybrid ay efficient, no? Nakakatipid tayo sa fuel. Amen. So okay na, full tank po tayo, no? 3,000 pesos po, no? Sa full tank. And okay, we're getting ready na po, no? To test, no? The efficiency and the fuel economy of ng Suzuki, no? XL7 Hybrid. Okay, we're going to Baguio. Let's check, let's check. Okay, we're now going to Skyway. Okay. Here now. Skyway na po tayo. Pupunta tayo today ng Baguio and yes. We're ating today's gauges, okay? Okay, that's it. We're now on board the NLEX connector ramp and Skyway. Hi Brad, this is a pleasure with business. Yeah, this our trip comes with the business. We're vlogging. Okay, ito na po tayo. Parating tayo ng toll gate. Okay. Okay, right now we have a stopover, no, here in Total NLEX. Okay, magla-lunch muna tayo and sa 11:26 na po, no? Okay, so we're almost 1/4 away, no, from our destination, Baguio. Okay, after ng lunch po dito sa NLEX Total, no, we'll proceed na. Okay.
Okay.
Kasi we're going to Baguio and we're going to test po, no, yung gauge, no, yung kanyang fuel efficiency, no. This is hybrid, and let's check, no, how many kilometers per liter makakonsume, no, from Manila to Baguio. Okay lang?
Nakabagas ka na?
Yeah, Kanina pa, pinulit na.
Okay.
Check ko nga kung gaano karami yan eh.
Magagamit.
Magagamit sa ano. Kanina to Baguio.
Okay.
Okay, we're leaving total. Oh, okay na.
Kailangan
Okay, we're now approaching
Actually, dito
Shakey's.
sila dumaan, Ken. Doon tayo sa Marcos.
Baguio, yan, magsasabi tayo.
Dito sila dumaan.
Okay.
Nag-Ken sila.
Pero may tigandaan doon.
Kaya lang, masyado matarik doon.
You know, tignan naman natin yan. Okay, let's dati na lang.
At dati na, maluwag.
Yeah. So, wants to go to the bathroom? Anyone? Bathroom?
Oo nga, bathroom muna.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom first. Okay, here naman tayo sa, anong lugar na to, lab? Anong lugar na to? Ano?
Ano, Aspiras Palispis.
Palispis.
Okay.
Okay, where's
Ayun,
the bathroom?
restroom, ayun.
Yeah, that's good. Restroom?
Restroom. Dala ka ng mga barya o kailangan ng
Okay, good. Okay, coins, man, coins.
coins. Yeah.
Okay.
O, ikaw muna. Para, ano.
Yep, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Okay. But at work, do you have a short break? 3 p.m. break at work? Those who are working in the office or in the, ano?
My break
Yeah,
is from 12 to 3:30.
no, 12 to 3:30?
Yeah, and then I work from 3:30 to about 7. That's the
I miss that. Okay, our baby is here now in Camp John Hay, no? We're now here staying at Forest Lodge. Okay, there's a beautiful, maganda pong weather today. Tagalogin ko na, ang hirap mag-English. Okay, meron kasi tayong Canadian visitors, so we need to speak in English. So hindi po para sila naman out of place, but today, no, we're going to check now the mileage. Okay, the purpose of this trip is to know the mileage or the fuel consumption and efficiency of this hybrid Suzuki XL7 hybrid vehicle. Okay, Baguio is about 200, less than 300 kilometers away from Manila, and let's check po, no, yung kanyang mileage. Okay, hybrid means this is gas and yes, gas and battery powered. Let's check. Surprise. Okay, let's check po yung kanyang on natin yung power. Okay, that's it. Let's check po yung kanyang fuel, ano. Okay, it's nabawasan lang po na, no? Less than half, no? Kanyang almost half, no? Exactly half. So that's 1,475 pesos po, no? Consumption from Manila to Camp John Hay here in Baguio. Okay, very efficient, no? Bakit? Kasi akyatan ho to, no? From from the foot of the mountain of this Baguio, manayan po siya almost an hour, no? 1 hour po yung akyatan. So during those driving, no, uphill, you will be consuming so much fuel, no. But this one, no, for only 1,475 pesos, no, yun na po na-consume niya, no, from Manila to Baguio. At let's check ko natin later, no, yung kung ilang exactly kilometers po, no. But it's around 280 kilometers po, no, from Sampaloc, Manila.